நான் இன்று சேஃப்டி ஆடிட் ஐஎஸ் 14489 2018 செகண்ட் டிவிஷனில் we are going to discuss about organizational setup. முதலாவதாக ஆர்கனைசேஷன் செட்டப் என்பது whether the organization is having safety officer or safety department. If it is so, whether the safety officer has been qualified as per statute. Our statute, the Tamil Nadu Factory Rules 2005, Safety Officers Rules 2005, describes about qualification, appointment, conditions and duties of the safety officer. For example, he should possess bachelor's degree in engineering or in any discipline. Otherwise, he should possess BSc Physics or Chemistry. If it is BE, he should have 2 years experience. If it is Bachelor of Science, he should have 5 years experience. Otherwise, the diploma also will be considered, but they should have possess 5 years experience. In addition to that, they should possess a diploma in industrial safety conducted by RLIs and CLI. In addition to that, they can possess a master's in engineering, ME safety, recognized by Government of Tamil Nadu, certain engineering colleges. So this is the qualification required for the safety officer. The rule also says, rule number 8 describes the duties of the safety officer. He has to give advice, execute the necessary safety measures in all the areas in the factory. He should advise the training department to conduct the training and also he should assist them. He should investigate near misses, accidents and other things. He should advise purchase department and store department to procure the personal protective good quality. And also he should be catalyst to form the safety committee. These are the main activities conducted by him in the safety department. So these records everybody will go through it. Moreover, you should possess the knowledge about the process, product and what all the hazards and associated diseases will come out of it. You should have a good knowledge about it. And also, he should given authority and responsibility to discharge his duties. What kind of authority and responsibility is given? To promote the safety among the working groups. And also, if unsafe condition, any unsafe actions, what is his role? Whether he can play a role, he can stop or he can advise the department or he can mitigate the dangers, endangers and so on. And also, how often he is being retrained. Once he got entered into the organization, he has to update his knowledge in the laws which are updated in the country. So he has to update the knowledges, technology and the working conditions in the company process like that. So this is the one of the requirement. And also the management should provide him secretarial assistance to carry out his job effectively. He has to be treated in pair with other officers in the company. These are the things comes under organization setup. If the company is employing lesser people and they can appoint a safety coordinator and his responsibility also to be defined. So the safety department, in short, in nutshell, he has to carry out all the safety related works in the factory as a advisory role. Since it is a line function, safety is a line function, he has to advise all the concerned people to carry out the task to reduce, to minimize the accidents.